Leon, I made this video just for you so that I can demonstrate how exquisite the gooseneck that your company made for my product right here. And I'm going to hook it up to the windshield over by the passenger side of this Kia, and I'm putting it through the windshield right here, and then I'm turning it. I'm going to work over on the passenger side of the engine, doing an air conditioning compressor today. So there's the suction cup, and here is the beautiful gooseneck that your company makes, and it's 36 inches long, and you made it exactly to my specifications. It's exactly what I wanted. Here is the light right here. I'm going to turn it on, and there, 12-inch. And now I'm going to take this light and I'm going to position it down there, because that's where I'm going to be working. So we're going to take that. I'm going to position the light down there. And now I can see exactly what I need to see. And I have to change that air conditioning compressor all the way at the very bottom down there. And I can take my light and my bendable gooseneck and put it down there and shine my light exactly where I want it. It's daytime, but when you get down there, it gets pretty dark, even in the middle of the day. So Leon, your company did a fantastic job making the Goose-Grip 36-inch long gooseneck to support that light, and it appears to be very strong, much stronger than the last one that I had. I'm liking how it moves, and you should be proud of yourself for giving me exactly what I asked for. Thank you, Leon.